Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a fun fall mani using new colors from Sundara. And the colors that we're going to be using today are from Heather's fall collection. Now the first color here is called Take a Hike, and then this beautiful chunky glitter is called Belief in Yourself, and it is a beautiful chunky glitter mixed with black, maroon, and silver glitters, and it's super fun. And I think this combo together of Take a Hike and Belief in Yourself are super pretty together. I thought that these two colors together would be the perfect way to transition into some fun fall manis. So for today's mani, we're also going to be doing the gel method. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just wrapping up the mani here, and as you can see, I went directly in with the top coat. Normally when I am using gel liquids, I tend to do a base coat first and then I go in with my top coat, but when I'm using the Sundara gels, I don't have any problems with that top coat flaking or peeling, so that's why I skipped the base coat. But if you're someone that does have a tendency when you're using gels, when you don't use that base coat, it does peel, then definitely include that step in your mani process. This is just what works best for me when I'm using the Sundara gels. So I am going to go ahead and finish the mani with some cherry cuticle oil, which is amazing. And I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's the perfect transition into fall mani, and these colors are beautiful. I also will be using other colors from Heather's fall collection, so stay tuned for those videos. I will also link everything that I used in today's video in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!